I teach on the Manufacturing Engineer Apprenticeship course. That course covers a mixture of both mechanical and manufacturing engineering. It's actually a 5-year apprenticeship, and they'll leave the course with a BEng in mechanical engineering. Engineering is an interesting qualification to have. It obviously suits anybody who has a requirement for a role in engineering, so people like doing product design, implementing engineering processes and manufacturing, things like that, doing project management in engineering. So any of the sort of more technical branches of engineering is really suitable, but also most organisations recognise that the skill set that engineering gives you is a multidisciplinary thing. You can apply it anywhere. So we have people with engineering qualifications working in banks, finance companies, you name it, it will actually sort of suit you for that sort of application. The big advantage for the employer is you get at the end of the process, you get an employee who is highly skilled, has knowledge of the latest techniques and principles, and can apply those as well. And also, to some extent, the training they've received is tailored to you because they've spent all that time in your workplace working for you and also doing personal development within your company. So they are moulded to what you want them to be and to have the skill set you need. Also, obviously, it's probably one of the most cost-effective ways of gaining this level of training.